Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about BeVigil. It's a search engine for mobile applications like Shodan, which is a search engine for IP addresses for all the scanning all the network hosts present on the internet. Similar to that Shodan, it is a search engine for mobile applications present all over the internet. It will give you S3 bucket host, the subdomains, API endpoints, hardcoded API tokens, and it will give you a complete report about that API. What you have to do is to use this application. You are provided with the search bar. They are also providing you an API, OSINT API. For this, you have to sign up first, and then you will get an API key. You can go to API documentation so you will get an API key like this. Here, as we can see, this is OSINT API, and if you will go to this word list here, you can just take this complete request here, okay, and substitute in your APK name here. Suppose it is WhatsApp, then it is like, let's go to WhatsApp. It is com.whatsapp. We'll just take this com.whatsapp, substitute it here, and make a call request, and that will give you word list for your application, right? So they will find some parameters from various host names. They will find some API endpoints from wherever. They will find any kind of word that can be used in the word list. They will substitute it into that file. Similarly, we have option for host. We have option for this all assets, S3 buckets. We have host. We have apps. If you want to find more apps from this application, we have subdomains, and we have URLs. So that's how this OSINT API works. And let's take some demo application for purpose. Let's take this one, personal stickers for what. This is search engine on the web. This is not, we are not using the OSINT API right now. So if you are using this one is simpler. They will generate a report. You have vulnerabilities here, a section for vulnerabilities, weak crypto algorithms. You can go to these two matched files where they have spotted this vulnerability, and you can look at those files and match if there is some kind of like this. It's a Java file. Most of the Android applications are written in Java, and you have to read this whole file again, and maybe at some line there is some weak cryptographic algorithm. So here they're using MD5. MD5 is weaker, and that's why maybe they have spotted this vulnerability. This is the vulnerability section. Then there is strings section that will spot the strings found in the APK. I mean, I don't know why, but this app is free from strings. Not expected, but yeah, that's the case here. Let's take another good application. Let's take Linktree. Yeah, Linktree here. So I'll click on view report, and let's close this one. So they have, if you go to vulnerabilities, they have spotted so many vulnerabilities. Non-parameterized SQL query, super user privileges can be requested, sensitive information and logs. So yeah, you can just go to these files and check the code here. I'll not go right now. Maybe I'll spot some vulnerability in the live video. That's not good, but yeah, you can go to strings and spot some strings here, right? There is a generic API key here, Google API key, Twitter client ID, Google CAPTCHA, and some possible secrets detected. So you can go to these matched files where these secrets are detected. You can open these files, right? Let me open this file. Like this file string.xml and this file both are same. So I will open this one. And then there are more. So I'll go to second page, third page, fourth page, and open all these files and look for the secrets, right? So this is basically what BeVigil is doing on their backend. Is they are taking all these applications from different stores, App Store, Play Store. I mean, I think they're taking 80 stores right now. Don't know the exact number, and they are decompiling all these applications and making a complete report of these strings, vulnerabilities, host name, S3 bucket. So you can look at this whole static decompilation on your browser using this website, right? So similarly, you can see all these strings here, and then you can go to manifest scanner, see the manifest, go to assets, you can see the host names, API endpoints. If you can find some, you can add these endpoints in your word list. You can go to APK ID, these things. I'm not an APK penetration tester, by the way. I'm just showing you how good this tool is for testing APKs. I used to do static decompilation for so many purposes, for exactly doing this, looking at hardcoded secrets and making word list by finding API endpoints on the APK, or looking at different findings, different host name present in the APK, like Android in manifest or strings.xml file. Here you can do this all on this your browser. So in the similar way, you can use this OSINT API. You have to use an API key, make this call request on your terminal, and this will give you the URLs in a very good JSON response. You can take that whole JSON response, parse it with JQ or some JSON parser. That's how a sample response looks like. You can also scan the app. That's one more option which is available here. If some app is available in the App Store, you can click on option 1 and then the package name, and you can just click on proceed, and they will request an app scan. If you have an APK file, I've downloaded an APK file earlier, and you can upload this file here. Upload file, take this file and proceed. So this will upload this file. The speed is down right now. It will take 7 minutes. But that's how it works, right? It will generate the same report again, same kind of, it will show you all the strings, URLs in the same way like we have seen. That's all from my side. From a long time I wanted to create a video on this search engine BeVigil. That's all. Thank you.